are traditionally targeting the business sectors to start out with, the enterprise customers. But now with the new devices that we have, we're certainly going after consumer now very, very heavy as well. And so that is the other message I think that we need to get out as well into the customer base. In Central Eastern Europe, there is a perception that we are a business tool for VIPs. And that's a perception that we are trying to smash and make sure that people are aware that this is a solution for everybody. And it's a solution that can be accessed by teenagers right up to business executives. So that's really what our job is right now, getting that message out. It's very, very important. I think time savings is universal, whether you're a business person or whether you're a busy parent, managing 3 or 4 kids. I know that my wife is pretty busy. She manages me and my kids very effectively. And so, whether you're that person or you're a person who's in charge of a multi-million-dollar business, the idea of being able to save time and have information at your fingertips pushed to you is an incredible value add, and it's universal. It's a universal benefit. I can tell you that we have 21 million global users today. Last quarter we announced 2.6 billion new users in the last quarter. The results that we announced. 45% of our customer base is non-enterprise. So this is a trend that's growing very quickly.
In region, in Central Eastern
That's
Europe?
global.
That's global.
Yeah, that's global. And I think that I would be very confident in saying that trend is a global trend. It's not a regional thing. We're seeing with the addition of the new devices that we come out with, launched in the last several months. We're seeing a much wider, diverse traffic coming to the stores. So it is a solution that truly is available to everyone and anyone, and that consumer number is growing very well.
Actually, at the end of our third quarter from our fiscal year, which ended in November, for the first time ever, our non-enterprise activations outweighed our enterprise activations. So we had 60% were non-enterprise.
The consumer activation, where is it growing fastest? In what areas? What regions?
I think that it's hard to regionalize it and say it's growing. Obviously North America is a very mature market for us, so that's a good indicator of where things are heading. But I work in parts of the world that I think are the most interesting, and that is in Central Eastern Europe and places like that, where we're not as mature in the marketplace, and we're seeing the exact same trends. So we're seeing consumer uptake.
And the trend is that consumers much quicker.
Yeah, I mean, definitely, this is a tricky question though, because you look at enterprise. What is enterprise? There's enterprise and there's consumer, and we know what a 16-year-old male is a pure consumer, and a CEO is a pure enterprise. And then in the middle you have all of this SME, small medium enterprise, prosumer, and that can be biz or bez. And when I say biz or bez, that can be a corporate server that we sell solution, or it can be the internet solution that we sell. So there's a lot of gray area in the middle there. And certainly, as we bring out new products, the products we brought out, we're seeing that trend where the spectrum is now being addressed across the whole group.
And a lot of users buying through consumer channels, a lot of, particularly in the SMB segment, buying.
I forget the statistic, but it's quite high. It's the number of enterprise users who actually go into a retail store to buy the device. It's quite high. So the good news is we're addressing all of those segments, and we have very strategic solutions built just for SME. And we work with the carriers to figure out what are the applications that they want to introduce in Poland and Hungary, wherever they may be, that are attracted to the SME market. What are the ones that they want to introduce in the enterprise market? And then certainly now with the new products, what are the ones that they want to introduce in the consumer market? B applications and some of the applications we talked about already.